In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Steam games not downloading. First, restart Steam. Fully exit Steam from the system tray 2, reopen Steam and try downloading the game again. Also, check your internet connection. Make sure your device is connected to the internet. Try restarting your router or modem. Avoid using VPNs unless necessary. Also, clear download cache. Open Steam, then Settings, then click Downloads. Clear download cache. Steam will restart and ask you to log in again. Next, change download region. Go to Steam, Settings, then Downloads. Under Download region, pick a different nearby region. Click OK and try downloading again. Also, check drive and space access. Make sure you have enough disk space. Go to Steam, Settings, Storage, and check that your download drive is active and writable. And also, you can run Steam as administrator. Close Steam, right-click the Steam icon, then choose Run as Administrator, then try downloading again. And that's it. That's how you fix Steam games not downloading.